Austin! Austin! Wait then. Will you get me the snips out of my bag?
What bag? Where is it? I'll get the hook.
The hook room over there. Chill out there. You're going to hold the camera. If you wait, James. Point the camera at me, alright?
Beata. Get him, Dean. Oh, I'm gonna get a good thing of this.
Can you find the hook there for my boat, please?
Dean told me record him.
You got it? Hold it straight, please, Austin. You found the hook, babe, yeah? You like getting touchy, man, babe?
No, Dean. No.
Right, have a go on me?
Yes.
You go bigger?
Don't think it was recording.
What? It is. Is it screen black?
No.
Yes, flashing. It's recording. Right, Sophia, stop it, babe.
How did I knock you off?
Well, don't do it.